Looking to add some carbon hotness to the back of your WRX or STI? This is the Password JDM rear glass deflector. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Password JDM rear glass deflector specific for the 15 plus WRX and STI. Gonna unsheath this here like a mighty sword, and this is it. So this goes basically at the very top of your rear, what do you call it, a windshield? I guess it's not really a windshield, the rear glass on the back of your car. Sits at the very top, almost goes edge to edge. You have a tiny little bit of gap here at the very ends, but sits very cleanly on the back glass and just adds a nice aggressive look as opposed to just that standard, you know, along the C-pillar going down. It kind of adds that little duckbill look to it. I do like the Password JDM badge sitting on the back there as well. And this beautiful carbon fiber finish that's UV coated to help protect against discoloration or fading. Because this is going to be sitting in the sun a lot of the time, that's very important. Password JDM does a very good job with protecting their carbon, making sure it looks nice and perfect for a long time. Now it does come with some self-adhesive strips, and so installing this is incredibly simple. Basically, this is one of those things where you just really want to make sure you get it on nice and straight and even. Other than that, you know, you're going to unpeel one end, stick it down, and then just run the rest of it up and push it down with your hands, and it is officially installed, which means that uninstalling it, if you choose to do so, should also be fairly simple as well, just removing the adhesive backing. So very cool piece from Password JDM. Check it out. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. We'll see you guys next time.